Hey guys, my name is Advar Nostvik. Very nice to meet you. You may have found this link online, or you may have found it on a card that's been handed to you, or you may have picked up the card just laying around somewhere, and you may be curious what this is all about. Well, here's the deal. I believe it is possible to learn anything watching YouTube clips and or doing searches on Google. And I'm certainly a great example of that. A couple of examples: I've learned how to swim just watching YouTube, fine-tuning some techniques. And here lately, we had some technical challenges with the printer, etc., which is certainly not my wheelhouse. But I was able to search YouTube how to and was able to figure out the answer and fix the problem that I had. So, like me, some of you may have just searched around, looked around for ways to diversify your income, create a plan B, and just or even replace your income. And that's also possible using YouTube, using Google to find answer. Now, it can be very confusing. It can take you through many different steps, and you're wondering, is it real? Does it work? And so forth and so on. And partly why I want to do this clip is just, it is real. I have found a way that I'd like to show you, that I'd like to introduce you to, where I will send you 3 clips, YouTube clips that I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can diversify your income and or create a plan B. And what I'm going to ask you to do is jump over to my Facebook page. It's Advar Nostvik, or Success with Advar Nostvik. It's ODDVARNAUSTVIK. And send me an inbox. Send me an inbox with your email and or your phone number if you prefer text. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to send you 3 YouTube clips. First 2 of them, one at a time, obviously, and then walk you through a simple process. And I'm going to show you how using technology, using YouTube, using Google, and how from the comfort of your home, how you can generate and create streams of income. And I always say this, guys: business as we know it today is changing. It is not what it used to be several years back. And more people are shopping online, people are going online, people are using the tools and technology that's available to create sources of income streams. So that's what I'd like to do. So what I'm, again, going to ask you to do is just send me an inbox message on Advar Nostvik, and I will then respond, communicate with you, reach out, send you the clips, walk you through, because here's what I want you to do before you make any commitment, take any steps, if you will. I want to educate you and show you, give you an opportunity to learn a way where you can certainly make it happen. And that's my goal, is to give you an option, give you an opportunity to have all the information, all the details that you need to make an informed, educated decision if you even want to pursue, or if it is an answer to what you've been looking for. So I am certainly looking forward to being in touch. I want to give you the details, and I can't wait to hear from you. Inbox me, Advar Nostvik, on Facebook. And I look forward to sending you the first clip. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.